Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Look at me how I'm looking crazy, right? The sweat dripping all over me. Because it's summer. Look my hair. Sweat is coming off me right now. Working underneath the dashboard, 97 400 high miles. Replacing brake booster, which I wanted film for you, but it's so much dirt and there's no space anyway under that I decided not to film it, but I will still show you old mechanic trick, a tip, how to get in super far tight spaces where your hand will not come, how to put the nut or bolt down there. Let me show you what I'm doing. So 97 400 old failed booster. You can see it here, original Toyota. Here is the charcoal canister just to have a space. Here you can see the new booster, and for easy access I removed. That's one of the tips for you. That's not a trick, but it's one of the tips. It's what a master tech will tell you. If this takes 10% of time to remove and create easy access for your work, use that, remove it, use the time, remove it, and go that way. So, now I don't know even if my camera will fit here. What are you looking at? Do you see there the 4 shiny new silver nuts? Let me see what you see. Oh yeah, you see it right there. So these two, could put my fingers there, but this one barely, and this one I couldn't at all. It just will not work. Your hand will not work there. You can't get there, and you have to be aware of this old mechanic trick. I tried to put, let me get closer to you. I tried to get there. I'm putting my hand like this and I'm trying to enter that nut on that stud, but it won't work. This wiggle, it will not stay. It's not magnetic, but that's the only way to get down there, right, in that opening. This is the trick, my friend. It's very simple. And it works all the time. Let me get a bigger piece so it's obvious on the camera. Paper. You take a paper, you put that nut which you are going to install, and you take it and put it in that socket this way. Do you see it, my friend? Does it make sense? Now the nut, it's not magnetic, right? So now you are putting it inside there, you catch that stud in our case, and you start going this way, right? And this is the way you can get in these far places with some kind of extension and not to lose that nut. Then when it catches the thread, well, it's easy. You just pull your tool away. This will fall off. The nut is on the stud, and you can just bring it back and just finish it, torque it all the way. So I wanted to show you that because I didn't. I never show you that on this channel. It's a short video. One day, I'm absolutely positive, one day one of you will thank me for showing this. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumb up, please. And be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See ya!